Okay, just bringing you a quick update on the pound or on all the USD pairs. Okay, so the pound is now, we're on a 1 minute time frame. Let me just, so you can see where we're coming from, zoom out on the daily time frame. Okay, this here is our leading diagonal in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a 1 or an A over there. Okay, and I will just remove all of this now. We know that that's a 1 or an A. I believe it's a 1. So I'm going to mark it as 1. Looking for 2, then 3, 4, 5. Okay. So currently we are here, and I'm expecting price now, because we've had that diagonal that's played out. We moved down, we've gone sideways, we've spent time. I'm expecting a thrust down and to take out this level. Okay, to get into these levels down here. So now we'll just jump down to the 15. And you can see that we came down after that. We created the 1, came down, and we've broken these internal lows, okay, and pushed back up. This box, this purple box, this little one here, is where I'm expecting a retracement. You can see this channel, we could look at it as a trend line, came above it, dropped, came above it, grabbed liquidity and dropped. GU, I've just sold it. I would not be surprised if it did do this though. Okay, I wasn't paying attention and I don't want to miss the trade, so I just hopped in. I'm going down. Let's go down to the smaller time frames. Okay, so I just wanted to point out, I was waiting for price to tap this box. Okay, but should price come and break this low over here, this bullish order block, this one here, this candle that came up, and then we took out the highs. If we come down and we take out that low, that's it, it's over, we're going down. And I expect us to make a sharp move down, because we're just coming from a diag. Okay, this diag here, we did make quite a push. Hold on, where are we? Over here. We did make quite a push down, pull up, but this push down didn't break anything. We came over here, redistributed, came into the supply. This whole up candle here is the supply zone, but I redefined it. And as you can see, we didn't get to my most defined, the level. Sometimes you got to make sure you don't always, define it too much, because you don't know. Okay, like say this candle with volume here should have been enough, and we did tap into there. Okay, now, like I said, still we haven't left the area. Still a chance of us going like that and then down. But should we break this level here where my layer is, then I won't expect that. I expect that we're just going to continue lower now. We've got news at 3 o'clock. Okay, so let's have a look at Euro USD. I'm in my sales as well for GBP USD right now. Euro USD, grab that inefficient line that I spoke about earlier. Okay, inside the supply, this one here, because of that wickless candle over here, into the supply. Okay, we've done some trapping movements over here, and we're going down. Only thing I don't really like about this, if we break this low, fine, but if you look at these highs over here, they look relatively equal to me, so that suggests potentially we could come up, grab those equal lows, and then go down, equal highs, and then go down. If I look a bit more to the left, got a bit of imbalance here, some imbalance here, that price could travel up to before coming lower. But like I said, we got signs of distribution here. All we need is a break of this low, and as far as I'm concerned, this should go down. Okay, that should go down if we break that low. Onto NZD USD. We definitely got some signs of distribution here. Okay, but Let's go to 15. Let's actually. It looks like it's about to go down, but I wouldn't take it. I look at this as an A wave. Whatever it's doing now is a B. Another push up, hopefully into here. Then I'll take that down. AUD USD, same thing. Okay, in fact, AUD USD has made it clear that we could go up. All right, and I think pound is coming up maybe to swipe the highs right now. Just looking at my phone. Yeah, it wouldn't be no surprise. Like I said, I'm not going to get out of my positions. I'm not going to get scared here. I do not expect pound to take out this high. If pound took out this high, it'll lead me to think I'm wrong about the whole trade, and I have to sit back and observe and see what happens next. If we took this high, this would be turning into accumulation, which is bullish, and that would mean we've had the most shallow retracement that I've seen after a leading diagonal. Because leading diagonals, you usually get deep retracements. I quite often reach the 0.786. Okay, but at least the 618 or the 50%, which clearly we've not done. I haven't put the fibs on. I'll do that now. Let's put the fibs on. Okay, so the 38% is here, the bare minimum. We have touched that. We've got 50% here, and we've got 61% here with a low that we could be grabbing as well into this demand over here. I do think that's where we're coming to. All right, we'll just do old USD quickly again. I mean, you can watch the video before. I'm basically repeating everything I said before, but we've got a little bit more price action that's confirming the analysis. I thought I'd just do another quick video. Old USD, it can go down, but I really believe we could get that. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for on Old USD. All right, so thanks a lot. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you again later on in the day. All right, peace.